Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can make your own sound on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up TikTok application and then log in to your account. Once logged in, simply tap on this plus icon right over here. And then inside here, you can record your video while playing or speaking your original sound. It could be your voice, your music, or even background audio. So once it is done, tap on this check mark and then tap on post. And just like that, TikTok will auto create a sound called original sound and your username. You can now tap on that sound and reuse it anytime. Also, if you like to upload a custom song or voiceover, you can go ahead and simply edit your video using CapCut or InShot and then upload that video to TikTok. And just like that, your sound will be preserved. After posting, it becomes your own original sound. And that's it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.